So now let's see how we can apply the cartoon effect inside of GIMP. So in order to apply the cartoon effect, you need to go around under filters, and then you need to go around over here under artistic, and over here choose cartoon. So once you go around and do that, you can see that you get the cartoon like effect right here with the edges, as you can see right here, where you can change around the mask radius, as you can see right here, and change around the percentage of the black that you have right here. Of course, you can go around and change around the opacity as well, and you get more dark edges as if it were a cartoon, as you can see right here. You can go around and change around the blending mode as you like right here, and you can go around and say like dissolve, you can go around and lighten it, you can go around and replace it right here and so forth, and change around the opacity according to how you like right here. If I were to go around over here onto preview, then this is the before and this is the after, as you can see right here, and you can work around with the split view, as you can see right here, like before and after, just like this as well. So if I were to go around and press OK, then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with the cartoon effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.